Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's lecture we will discuss one of the most popular compact development boards used in embedded systems and IoT applications, the Arduino Nano. The Arduino Nano is a small, powerful, and breadboard-friendly microcontroller board designed for electronic prototyping and embedded system development. In this video, we will understand what the Arduino Nano is, the AMEGA 328P microcontroller architecture, important technical specifications, power supply options, pin configuration and connectivity, development ecosystem, and real-world applications in IoT, robotics, and wearable electronics. So let us begin. Introduction to Arduino Nano. The Arduino Nano is a compact microcontroller board based on the AMEGA 328P microcontroller. It provides almost the same functionality as the Arduino Uno, but in a much smaller physical size. The board measures approximately 18 mm by 45 mm, making it ideal for projects where space constraints are important. Because of its small form factor and breadboard compatibility, the Arduino Nano is widely used in portable electronics, wearable devices, miniature robots, embedded control systems, IoT sensor nodes. Despite its small size, it offers powerful features for real-time control and sensor interfacing. Technical specifications. Let us now examine the important technical specifications of the Arduino Nano. The board uses the AMEGA 328P microcontroller, which is an 8-bit AVR microcontroller developed by Microchip technology. The operating voltage of the board is 5 volts, which is compatible with most digital sensors and modules used in embedded systems. The recommended input voltage for external power supply ranges from 7 to 12 volts. The board includes 14 digital input-output pins, out of which 6 pins support PWM signals. 8 analog input pins for reading analog sensor signals. 32 kilobytes of flash memory for storing the program code. 2 kilobytes of SRAM for runtime data storage. 16 MHz clock speed, which controls instruction execution. These specifications make the Nano suitable for small to medium embedded system applications. AMEGA 328P microcontroller. At the core of the Arduino Nano is the AMEGA 328P microcontroller, which acts as the processing unit of the board. This microcontroller belongs to the AVR family of RISC-based microcontrollers. It is designed for low power consumption and efficient performance. The AMEGA 328P includes several important hardware features such as built-in timers and counters, multiple communication interfaces like UART, SPI, and I2C, a 10-bit analog-to-digital converter for reading analog signals, several power-saving sleep modes for battery-operated applications. These features allow the Arduino Nano to handle real-time sensor processing, control systems, and communication tasks efficiently. Pinout and connectivity. The Arduino Nano provides a set of digital and analog pins that allow interaction with external electronic components. The digital pins, labeled from D0 to D13, can be configured as either inputs or outputs. These pins can be used to control devices such as LEDs, relays, motors, switches, digital sensors. Among these digital pins, 6 pins support pulse width modulation, which allows the board to generate analog-like signals for applications like motor speed control and LED brightness control. The board also includes 8 analog input pins, labeled a 0 to a 7. These pins allow the microcontroller to read analog voltage signals from sensors such as temperature sensors, light sensors, gas sensors, pressure sensors. The internal 10-bit ADC converts analog voltages between 0 and 5 volts into digital values ranging from 0 to 1023. Powering the Arduino Nano. The Arduino Nano can be powered using multiple methods. The most common method is through the mini USB port, which allows the board to receive power directly from a computer during programming and testing. For standalone projects, the board can also be powered using the Win pin, which accepts an external voltage between 7 volts and 12 volts. The board provides a regulated 5-volt output pin, which can supply power to connected sensors and modules. Additionally, a 3.3-volt output pin is available for low-power devices such as certain communication modules and sensors. These flexible power options make the Nano suitable for both development environments and standalone embedded systems. Development ecosystem. One of the biggest advantages of the Arduino Nano is its strong development ecosystem. Programming the Nano is done using the Arduino IDE, which supports programming in C and C++ languages. The Arduino IDE provides a simple interface for writing, compiling, and uploading programs called sketches. Another useful feature is the cloud-based Arduino Web Editor, which allows developers to write and manage code online. The Arduino platform also provides thousands of open-source libraries, enabling easy interfacing with sensors, displays, and communication modules. Because of this large ecosystem, Arduino Nano is widely used by students, hobbyists, researchers, and professional engineers. Arduino Nano versus Arduino UNO. Although the Arduino Nano and Arduino UNO use the same Amiga 328P microcontroller, there are some differences. The most obvious difference is the size. The Nano is significantly smaller, making it ideal for compact designs. The Nano is also breadboard compatible, which simplifies circuit prototyping. However, the Arduino UNO has larger connectors and is often preferred for beginner experiments and classroom learning. In terms of performance and features, both boards provide similar computational capability. Practical applications of Arduino Nano. The Arduino Nano is widely used in many practical engineering applications. In wearable electronics, it can be integrated into clothing or accessories for health monitoring and smart devices. In IoT systems, the Nano acts as a sensor node that collects environmental data and transmits it to cloud platforms. In robotics, it is used to control small robots, drones, and robotic arms. In data logging systems, the Nano records sensor data on memory cards for long-term monitoring applications. Because of its compact size and low power consumption, it is particularly useful in portable and battery-powered devices. Future of Arduino Nano. The Arduino Nano platform continues to evolve with modern variants such as Arduino Nano Every, Arduino Nano number 33 IoT, Arduino Nano ESP32. These new versions include advanced features such as built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth communication, more powerful processors. These improvements allow the Nano series to support next-generation IoT and smart device applications. Conclusion. To summarize, the Arduino Nano is a compact yet powerful microcontroller board widely used in embedded systems and IoT projects. It is based on the Amiga 328P microcontroller, providing digital and analog input-output capabilities, communication interfaces, and efficient power management. Its small size, breadboard compatibility, and strong development ecosystem make it an excellent choice for portable electronics, robotics, and sensor-based systems. Because of these advantages, the Arduino Nano continues to remain one of the most widely used development boards in the electronics community. Closing. Thank you for watching this lecture.